Welcome back, guys. Jake Thompson Hair, here again, show you guys something unique and creative that you can use in the salon. We're gonna be going over a technique that is gonna be about highlighting. It's a low maintenance technique, so stay tuned. Let's get right into it. So first off, when you are gonna do this technique, we're gonna be having the color fall mostly in the front and a little bit over back behind the back of the ears, okay? So the color is mainly gonna be focusing in this area. So you wanna start off by finding the natural part first, and then we create a circle on top of the head. Clip that up, get that out of the way. So my first section is going to be a triangular section right in the front, right on this part, right through here, and it's going to go diagonally back. Okay, so we took out this small little triangle right through here, and I'm really just kind of feathering that color right up into her. So I'm not saturating it too much right through there, but I'm saturating it pretty heavily down. Let's go ahead and just fold that like so, get that out of the way, just like that, okay? Let's keep following that diagonal back, right through there. Go and push that hair out of the way, just like so. And we're going to be taking a little bit of a finer piece right through there. And then go ahead and put that foil right in there, okay. And I'm going to feather that up. So as you can see, we are going diagonal back. Now, this last section that I'm going to put in here, as you look at this, is going diagonally back to the nape of the head. And so, as you can see from what I started with a very fine weave, and I'm actually working into a little bit chunkier of a weave. And as I apply this in here, I always apply it in the middle section, get that product saturated through, and then wrap those ends in, and then I will feather it right to that top area. Right through there. And I'm not going all the way to the root. I don't really necessarily need to. Then I'll fold that in there, and I will secure that on the sides so none of that product will actually leak through. And as you start to look at this from the front perspective, you can start to see how all of these foils are going diagonally back. So go ahead and fold this one out of the way here, fold this one out of the way. Now we're gonna start over here on the left side. So since the mannequin head parts a little bit more on over her left eye, this side is gonna be just a little bit weaker, and so I'm not gonna go as thick with this triangle right through here. I wanna make this triangle just a little bit softer. I stand over here and I worked on those sections. Now I'm going to stand on the opposite side and I'm going to work my way all the way down because I want the same type of line to mimic these lines over through here. So as you guys can see, the highlight that we did is a very quick and simple way to enhance somebody that's new to color. So to recap, you're gonna see some money pieces right where she parts her hair, and then diagonally back, you're gonna see it go from a very fine weave to a very chunky weave, ending really right behind the top of the ear, okay? okay? And we did this on the left side and the right side as well. And so you can see with that diagonal back, super simple, start off going, we did a slice in the front and then a couple like really fine, and then a little bit more chunky as it goes all the way back. We are gonna apply now, we're gonna apply a color all over. It's a mannequin head, so we're gonna do a level 4 because we wanna actually add a little bit more depth so you can see some of those highlights. If I was not to color the mannequin head, that sometimes the highlights don't come out as light, but today we're gonna add some depth to everything else. So we're gonna paint between color. Let's do that right now. All right guys, so we just finished applying the in-between color, which is level 4N, and we're doing it so we can actually add more contrast to this mannequin head, so you guys can really see what's happening with those highlights. So let's check back in 30 minutes. We'll check it out. I hope you really dig what we did today. This again is a very salon friendly and a very low maintenance kind of color. It's very easy to apply, and I mean, it shouldn't take too much longer in the salon if you want to try something new with a guest. Let's recap really quick. We want to take this circular right on top, just take that, clip that up, okay? And then wherever she decides to part her hair, we're going to take that diagonal, pieces, and we're going to go diagonal back each portion like through here and on the sides. Of course, we did a thicker slice right in that area. Those are the money pieces right there where she chooses to part her hair, and you can see where it really just accentuates her face right through there. We decided to apply a level 4 dark because it's mannequin head. I wanted to kind of see a little bit more contrast. You do not have to do that, okay? You can enhance somebody's tone with the same level they have. You don't even have to put the dark on there. But again, these are just to show you options. Guys, again, my name is Jake Thompson Hair. If you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? If you want to be notified when my videos come out, they come out once a week, hit that little bell right there. Guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna see you next week. My name is Jake Thompson Hair. See ya.